Here we come to the elevator at Building 13 at the Wyndham Governor's Green in Williamsburg, Virginia. We got another Otis elevator. This one's got a flush button. See? Love these flush buttons, look. Well, this one's a little bit looks a little bit different. This one has like newer Otis fan. Go up to 3, listen to the motor. Bang. Here at 3. Let's go back to 1. Short beep. We'll get the cab view going down. Here's your cab view. It's a pretty nice Otis elevator. Kind of creaks, but it's okay. Nonetheless, a very nice installation by Otis. We're going to take one more ride up to 2. ADA compliant phone. This phone doesn't want to. 3. Door close works. Listen to the motor. Going down. Go back to 1. Door close. Just get the arrow. Someone may need it, so we'll let them use it. Quick leveling. Otis interlock. Just watch it close. And there it goes, and that's it.